In my efforts to make a smarter home, I decided to add a camera system to the range of devices, and after some research and deliberations, I decided to settle for the Blink ecosystem for a start. Was this the right choice, or would I be looking to switch to another smart home security camera system in the future? Stick to the end to find out. The Blink Home Camera System is one of the leading smart home security and camera systems out there today, with quick and easy setup experience from my personal view and fast setup with the Alexa Smart Home System. All sections in this video are time coded so you can easily jump between some of those sections. If you need to check out the Blink Home Security Systems, I will put a link in the video description and also as a pinned comment. To be able to set up the doorbell and camera, you will need a Blink module, and setting that up is quick and fast using the QR code on the module with the app. You will need to constantly have the Blink module powered, so what I've done is plug it into one of my smart USB ports in the home office to have 24/7 smart power supply. I'll be setting up the doorbell next, and that builds on top of the Blink module addition, and it's equally a breeze. I simply add it up to the Blink system that I've set up in the previous step and it's ready to go. The same process goes for the outdoor camera and the Blink Mini, which I like because it doubles as a chime. Let's talk about the 5 things I like most about the Blink system overall. First is the ease of setup. You unbox it, power up, pair, mount, and you're ready to go. The second thing I like about it is the quick integration with the Alexa system because it's automatically discovered in the Alexa app. The next thing I like about it is the ability to use the Blink Mini as a chime. It's very useful for me because I have to set up in my living room and I need to know when someone presses the bell because I have Alexa set up in other rooms in the house but not in my living room. So having that as a chime makes a lot of sense for me. I can also schedule arm and disarm mode on the Blink system using the mobile app, which comes as a breeze for me when I'm away from home and I need to actually get security set up just like that. I also like the fact that it has a two-way communication from anywhere in the world. So if someone presses my doorbell and I need a package delivered to the back door, I tell them where to go and how to access it. With that said, here are some of the things I do not like about the Blink system. Multi-feed view is impossible. I'm logged in on my phone and my wife is also logged in on her phone. When either of us is viewing any of the cameras, the other person will not be able to, which for me kinda sucks. Or if I'm viewing on Alexa, I can't view it on my phone and it's mostly something I do not like at all. The other thing I do not like is the fact that I must pay to have video recordings synced on the cloud. But the good news is I can attach a storage to the sync module and have the footage saved on it, which I've done and it's been working for me so far. The other thing I do not like about the Blink system is that it only integrates with Alexa natively. I understand there's company rivalry between Google, Amazon, Apple and all those sorts, but this is not 2005. Can't we get over this rivalry already and let us move forward to ensure that customers have the best of experiences? And this will lead to my choice review. Now, if I were to decide again if I should go for the Blink system, would I still go for it? Short answer is no. There are now other options on the market that offer no subscription, multi-smart home, assistant support, and I'll probably be able to get away with multi-view also. That is my general review of the Blink Home Security System. While it's great and fast, the dislikes for me would not make me get more of the brand, but will be considering other home camera systems in the future because I have Alexa and I have Google Home in my home and I need to be able to use it with all of my smart home devices. If you still want to go ahead with getting the Blink system, I will drop the link to get them in the video description and also as a pinned comment. And remember, if you've enjoyed this video so far, remember to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And remember to also subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss any further videos coming from me in the future. Until I come your way again with yet another video, stay safe and goodbye.